Good day, everyone. We are Group 3, and today we will present our report about data analysis and organization. So, this report focuses on analyzing a sales data set that includes items, categories, quantities, prices, and stock performance. The purpose of this analysis is to organize the data, identify trends and patterns, and generate insights that can help improve business decision making and performance. So, for our introduction, this slide gives an overview of our report. As you can see, the data set contains sales related information that was analyzed to be better understand business performance. Through the data analysis tools and techniques, meaningful insight were gathered to identify trends, monitor outcomes, and support better decisions. And for the second slides, we have here the data organization. So this slide explains how the data was organized. So the data set was arranged using a Microsoft Excel in a structured tabular format where each column represents specific variables such as date, item, category, quantity, sales, and staff. So the data cleaning was also performed to ensure accuracy, consistency, and completeness. Sorting and filtering techniques were applied to organize and manage the data efficiency for easier analysis.
So good day everyone. I am Jennifer ECP. So my topic is method use. So and our presentation, the data was analyzed using Excel functions like SUMIF, COUNTIF, and average if, along with pivot tables and charts to highlight trends. So as you can see in our presentation, so our sales comparison between 2024 and 2025 shows in growth in April 5% and May we have 26% and the October is 20% and the November is 24%. So declines in January negative 59%, in July negative 24%, and in September is negative 38%, and December is negative 4%. But overall, sales dropped from 4.69 million in 2024 to 4.18 million in 2025. So about an 11% decline. So while some months perform well, so the year overall underperformed, showing the need for stronger strategies to stabilize sales.
Good evening, sir. I'm Justin Monia and I will discussing sales by class business versus economy. This part compares total sales for business class and economy class in 2024 and 2025. For business class is 1,876,705, that's for 2024, plus 1,927,844 for 2025. And that's the total of 3,804,549. And for economy class is 2,497,490, and that's for 2024, plus 2,497,490 for 2025. And that's the total of 4,994,980. And for the main point, economy class sold far more tickets and earn more money, which means it is the top performing category, followed by business class, and this shows most passengers choose economy class. And for sales destination, This table shows how much money came from each destination plus their percentage share of total sales. So the highest top destination is Cebu, which is 1,195,328, and that's 27%, followed by Boracay 895,497, and that's 20%, followed by Davao, which is 867,562, and that's 20%, followed by Baguio 714,700, and that's for 16%. And the lowest share is Iloilo, which is 701,108, and that's 16%. So the total is 4,374,195. And for the main point, Cebu brings in the most revenue overall. Boracay and Davao are next, while Baguio and Iloilo contribute the least. And for business class by destination, this focuses only on sales from business class passengers, split by destination. So the top destination for business class is Iloilo, which is 991,140, and that's 24%. Followed by Cebu, which is 916,302, and that's 22%. Followed by Boracay, which is 870,376, and that's 21%. Followed by Baguio, 728,370, and that's 17%. And the lowest for business class is Davao, which is 669,453, and that's 16%. So the total is 400,175,641. And for the main point, for passengers who choose business class, Iloilo is the most popular destination while Davao is the least popular.
Table 5. This data present a comparison of canceled versus confirmed bookings across three major airlines, which is the AirAsia, Cebu Pacific, and Philippine Airline PAL. It includes both a visual graph, Table 5, and numerical figures to show the performance of each airlines in terms of booking outcome. So first we have the total across all airlines. So the first is the total canceled bookings is 88 overall, and the confirmed bookings is 394. So per airlines details, we have AirAsia. So AirAsia have canceled bookings 22, and confirmed bookings is 121. So that is the lowest number of canceled bookings among the three airlines. Second is the Cebu Pacific. Canceled bookings is 37 and confirmed bookings is 145. So that's the highest number of confirmed bookings and highest number of canceled bookings. Third is the PAL, which is the Philippine Airlines. Canceled bookings is 29 and confirmed bookings is 128. The cancellation rates of Cebu Pacific is recorded the most cancellations, while AirAsia had a least number of cancellations booking. Then the Philippine Airlines falls the middle for both confirmed and canceled bookings. So overall, while Cebu Pacific is the most booked airline, it also experiences the highest volume of booking cancellations. Then the AirAsia, on the other hand, has the lowest number of cancellations but also the lowest count of confirmed bookings among the three. So the second slide is the table 6. Uh, this data show in table 6 compares the performance of airlines between 2024 and 2025, focusing on their performance values and the percentage growth achieved from one year to the next year. So it includes both a visual graph and numerical figures to show how each airline progresses. So the table presents value for each airlines for 2024 and 2025 and the percentage growth. So first we have AirAsia. In 2024 we have 7,948.11,236. Then in 2025 we have 8,480.87,912. Then the growth is 6.69. The second one we have Cebu Pacific. In 2024 we have 8,749.3,800,571, and in 2025 we have 8,862.29,3,706. So the growth is 1.29%. So the third one is PAL. In 2024 we have 8,656.37 million 57,058. Then 2025 we have 8,693.99 million 3,631. Then the growth is 0.43%. So there's also another category with 2024 we have 8,451.26 million 5,563. Then in 2025 we have 8,678.79,175. Then the growth is 2.81%. So the highest growth is the AirAsia, has the largest increase at 6.69%, making it top performing airline in terms of growth. Then followed by the other category with 2.81% and growth. Then Cebu Pacific with 1.29%. Then the lowest growth is the Philippine Airline, recorded the smallest increase at only 0.43%. So the highest overall values. So even though its growth rate is not the highest, the Cebu Pacific still has the highest performance value in both 2024 and 2025 compared to the other. And the overall, the Cebu Pacific maintains the highest performance level. AirAsia show the most significant improvement and growth between 2024 and 2025. Then the PAL had the least growth during this period.
Destination performance. This table in graph compare the performance of destination from 2024 to 2025. Boracay had the highest growth with 10%, Iloilo and Davao increased by 4%, while Baguio increased by 2%, Cebu had a slight decrease of 1%. Overall, some destinations improved while others decreased. Findings: the analysis revealed that certain categories consistently perform better than others. Some items have higher demand and contribute more to total sales, while others show lower performance. Sales trends also vary depending on the time period, indicating peak and slow seasons. Additionally, differences in staff performance were observed.
Conclusion. Based on the findings, the business performs well in high demand categories but needs improvements in low performing products. The variation in sales suggests the need for better planning and strategies during slower periods. Overall, the analysis proves that data-driven decision can enhance business performance. So, as you can see, the conclusion says that the business sells well in popular categories but has inconsistent sales and weak performance for some items. It is also shows that using sales data can help the business make better plans and improve overall performance. So, second one is the recommendations. It is recommended to focus on promoting high-selling products to maximize revenue. Low-performing items should be improved or replaced. Staff training should be enhanced to increase productivity. The business should continue using data analysis tools to monitor performance and apply strategies such as promotion during slow session. So the recommendations means the business should focus on promoting popular products like improve or replace weak products and also train the staff better and continue using sales data to make better decisions. Thank you.